Good afternoon, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trend Analysis for Wednesday, April 3rd, 2013. It's now 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that the purpose of this daily review is to show you how I do my analysis, not to give you trading advice. The U.S. equity markets were all red today. They definitely didn't like the employment news. Let's look and see what the markets are telling us today. Here's the price chart for the E-mini S&P 500 Index Futures. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where the markets are going. The S&P remains above 1528. The S&P is still bullish, though we had a big pullback today. Maybe we'll see support at 1528 tested. The next resistance remains at 1586 as seen by the light pink oval. Support is at 1528, and this can be seen by the light green oval. Here's the US dollar index futures price chart. This is important because the dollar strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar forex pairs will move. The US dollar index continues to be bullish, though price seems to be moving sideways. The next major resistance point of 83.65 is seen by the light pink oval. Support is at 81.5 as seen by the light green oval. Once a day after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a review of all 28 Forex pair price charts, and this takes less than 20 minutes per day. Here are Wednesday's results. In the table on the left, we'll make a notation when a pair has a green ADX. If the ADX is red, there isn't a trend, so we'll just put a dash. If the trend is bullish, this means the price is increasing, and we'll put a green up arrow. If the trend is bearish, it means the price is decreasing, and we'll put a red down arrow. We will then consolidate the information from the ADX table, and we'll note the strength of each currency in the table in the upper right. The strength can range from 0 to +7 for bullish, or from 0 to -7 for bearish. And in the lower right-hand corner, we'll list the Forex pairs that may be setting up for a trade. The whole purpose of this analysis is to choose the Forex pairs that have the highest probability of making a successful trade. So we'll match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies to make the best pairs to trade. Today we have 3 weak currencies and 3 strong currencies. There are only 2 pairs that are presently of interest though, and these are the Euro-Yen and the Euro-Aussie dollar. We still don't have any open trades for April. As for new orders, we haven't placed any new orders today, but we are watching the Euro-Yen and the Euro-Aussie dollar pairs. There were 2 qualifying pairs today. The first was the Euro-Yen. Here's the price chart for the Euro-Yen. As we can see, the price had been consolidating, and we're watching for an entry as a short trade. The second pair was the Euro-Aussie dollar. Here's the price chart for the Euro-Aussie dollar. As we can see, we've had a sharp down move, and the last few days we've been consolidating. Here we would also be looking for a short trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page.